All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is APHQF. Again, this one was requested over on YouTube and the live stream. I believe that this one was mentioned earlier. So this one got quite a bit of requests from a few different people. APHQF currently traded at $4.17. As soon as I pull up this chart, you guys know the deal. When I pull them up, I kind of get a good idea of what we're going to be looking at. So to look back in the past here, because we haven't went over this one, at least in the recent past. You guys had a breakout over here. Again, you watch for those key volumes. You guys ran off for that 10-day simple moving average, and I'm talking about that over here on November 4th. Yeah, we're back. We're over here in January, but history can repeat itself with these stocks. So you followed up, you ran along this upper Bollinger Band, pulled back, couldn't hold this 10-day simple moving average, fell through, tapped on that 30, came back up, followed that 20-day simple moving average, fell through, and then you guys basically fought that 10-day simple moving average over here on the 16th of December. It couldn't hold, fell through. You had 3 days of holding that lower Bollinger Band, and it started creeping up, and you guys got that confirmation candle right here off that lower Bollinger Band that you're going to move up. You guys made your way through the 10-day simple moving average, 20-day and 30-day like a breeze. Lots of buying pressure down here that you can see. A lot of green volume candles. You guys rode that up. You go ahead and pay attention to once you got above that 30-day simple moving average, the parabolic star flipped over to bullish and has been riding up since. Now, I can go two ways on this stock right now. Okay, zooming into what we're looking at right now, we can really go two different ways. You're at a big support level right now at $4.17. What I mean by that is if we draw a snap line across here, let's go ahead and put that line right here. Okay, zooming out, look at, you got through here, this became a support line. Once you fell through, right here, you start messing around. Now, there's a lot of indicators that you can use, but I try to use the indicators that are going to give you guys the best idea. Couldn't break through, fell through, down. Okay, when you guys got between that little a bit of a wedge, I like to call it, between the selling or the 10-day simple moving average and this horizontal line up here, and it couldn't break either, and it followed it through down through there. Then you guys reversed up and followed that 30-day, as I mentioned, but you tried to get through it here. You tried to get through it here. You finally got through it right here, and now you fell through. Okay, but right now you're sitting on it. This is the most important part. So right now, it doesn't have a lot of buying pressure coming into it today. I am going to put this one on a watch. The reason for is I'm going to be watching for this one to bounce off of that $4.17. It needs to hold. If it does not, if you start seeing this one creeping down to the 14, 13 area, I would definitely put a hold on it, because you're going to be going down to the $3.98. Buying pressure comes in, you're going to bounce off of that support line at the $4.17. That is all I have to add for this one.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different things going on with this company. It's I'll just read a description and just go over like the descriptions of a few PRs. Aphria Incorporated, they're one of Canada's lowest cost producers, produces, supplies, and sells medical cannabis. They're located in Leamington, Ontario, the greenhouse capital of Canada. Aphria is truly powered by sunlight, allowing for the most natural growing conditions available. We're committed to providing pharma-grade medical cannabis, superior patient care, while balancing patient economics and returns to shareholders. We are the first public licensed producer to report positive cash flow from operations and the first to report positive earnings in consecutive quarters. So there's a lot of different press releases on them. So I went back to this one from January 11th because it was Aphria reports 19% growth in quarterly revenue. So their revenue for the 3 months ended November 30th, 2016 was $5,226,589, representing a 19.5% increase of $512. The increase in revenue for the quarter was primarily a result of increased average selling price per gram, or gram equivalents sold. So that right there is pretty big. I mean, they're growing immensely. The other one was Aphria's vision to be reality. It's part 4 expansion project to increase greenhouse growing space to 1 million square feet. Imagine that. So 1 million, they're going to increase their growing space to 1 million square feet over there in Ontario. So I mean, there's a lot of this company. You know how like you got to pick and choose or find these pot stocks, as they would say, that have potential. I mean, these guys right here, obviously they have that revenue coming in and they're growing to a 1 million square foot facility. All right, so that's pretty much all I have to offer on this one. And they're also on the QB.
Okay. All right. So again, that is APHQF. Head over to investorshangout.com. Check it out. Check out the live stream. And like I said, right now, $4.17 on watch. Needs to hold that $4.17 support on watch for a bounce off of it. If it doesn't hold, like I said, you guys could fall through to the 20-day simple moving average. Again, that is APHQF.